everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, this is a different series. We're doing Monkey's Got Talent with Cheeseballs, Dragon, I don't know that guy, but anyway, these three contestants are going, I guess these four contestants are going after each other, and the one that wins will get 100 RPGs, or 50, I don't know. Bro, you just farted! First contestant, come up. What is your name and what is your talent?
I got your jetpack.
That's pretty cool. No.
I'm trying to wait. I'm trying to wait for my turn.
Wow. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Where'd he go?
Is that your
Oh, there you are. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. This is actually so good. Cheeseballs, I rate yours a 9.5 out of 10. Dude, that's actually so good. Alright, second contestant, come up. Alright, what is your name and what is your talent?
Jeez.
My name is Gymnastics, and my talent is singing.
Okay. Alright, well, what are you singing?
In the name of love.
Okay.
If I told you this was only gonna be, if I warned you that the fire's gonna bloom, would you walk in? Would you let me do it?
We're making a video.
In the name of love. Name of love.
Alright, I rate yours 8 out of 10. Alright, third contestant, come up. Alright, what is your name and what is your talent?
My name is Mr. Skeleton and I can shoot you.
What?
Oh,
Next contestant, come up.
okay.
Alright, what is your name and what is your talent?
My name is Dragon, and I'm a dragon.
I have a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
Sure.
Ah! Alright, everybody, I'm gonna say who got first, second, or third. So, who got first was Cheeseballs. His rating was 9.5 out of 10. Who got second was Mr. Blue Skeleton. And last, you. Your rating was 7.5 out of 10. Oh no, I didn't mean to kill you. Oh no, Blue Skeleton. Yeah, you're dead. Wait, what? Yo, bro, I was just saying. Why did? Thank you for watching. Subscribe.